Hi guys. So in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to add Postman to our system, and we will be hitting the APIs what we have seen while means in API automation tutorials. What we have used, those APIs we will be adding in this Postman, and we will be hitting and seeing the response. Okay, manually. So let's get begin here. So here is the nice document I have created along with images, what and all, for every step, what operation you will do, what image will come, and what you have to do. So this link I'll be providing in the description. Okay, so now let's go one by one and see what it is telling. It is telling to launch the Chrome browser and navigate to this URL. Okay, let me copy this and paste it over here. Okay, see now what it is telling. Okay, let me make it separate. Yeah, so now it is telling to you'll get in launched with this screen. Just you have to click on download button. Okay, so let's go and click on download button. The soon you'll click on download button, you'll get prompt with this screen. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when you'll get this screen, now for you this screen will come. Okay, in that case what you have to do, just you have to select this no thanks, continue to download this Chrome extension. Okay, this is what option you have to do. If you click on this download button, what will happen, this will download this which is of no use, just for ads they have given this. Okay, so don't click on that download button. Okay, after clicking on that, you will go and see some screen like this, add to Chrome. This is what we are seeing, right? Add to Chrome. Just click on this. After clicking, you will able to see this add app, right? See, this is what the image. Just click on this, it will be like add app. Okay, so we are in now add app screen. Just click on this add app. See, it is checking, it is downloading. One more tab will get open. So everything I have mentioned. Okay, so once it will get downloaded, one more tab will get open. See, here you can see like two tabs are there, right? Apps and Postman. Okay, so here it got open and it is showing like your Postman got downloaded over here. So now you have to go to here and see, just here it is mentioned. Sorry, just a second. Yeah, so here after clicking on add app, you are able to see this. Now it is telling click on the first tab. Just click on the first tab and you'll able to see this launch app. Okay, so after clicking on this first tab, we are able to see this launch app. Just click on this launch app. Okay, so after clicking on launch app, you will be prompted with this screen. Okay, here it will ask you to sign up. Okay, do not do anything, just you click on this highlighted link. Okay, so this is what we got, right? It is asking for sign up, so just click on this. Okay, and just close this. So every step is there. Okay, you can follow it aram se. And after that, at the end, we have all APIs I have given over here. Okay, so just close this one, and what you have to do, go to collections and click on this icon. See, this icon is to create your own collection. So give it name like user management, because those APIs we were seeing from starting, right? Management. Just click on create. Then after click on this and see here add request is there. Even you can add it from here also. Okay, this plus icon is there. Just click on add request and type here like get users list. Okay, get available users list. Okay, available users list. Okay, and select the one which folder. This is what the folder we have created right here. Just select this one. See, we have created now once, see, all installation done, then after, see, the first request is like get users list, right? This is what the API we are going to it. Okay, so let me check our application is running or not. So our application is running on 8 file. Let me make it one. Okay, stop it, right click, run it. So in last videos I have shown you guys like on which port you want to run, so you can follow the last video. Okay, so how to run and how to download this from GitHub, every step by step, everything I have told there. Okay, so let it get started. Come on. Yeah, it is started now. Okay, so now let's see, we have added this get API, right? So we'll see, this is what the get request to fetch all the available users. So just click on this is a get request. It means here it should be get only first one. Okay, so see, it is telling like you have one user available now. Okay, the second one is get specific user details whose ID is provided in URL itself, like this. Okay, so to before going that, let me show you this one. Okay, post request. Okay, so that two users will be there, then it will be easy to understand this. Okay, so to create post requests, what we have to do, just click here, go select post. Okay, and then after provide this API here, and this is what the payload is. Okay, just copy it and go to body, go to raw, paste it, and application JSON. Okay, this is what it is. Then control A, you can click somewhere, beautifies it with there. Okay, it is not there. Okay, anyway, so this is what the payload is. Okay, this just you have to copy and paste it over here. Okay, and click on this so that it should create one user for you. So here it is telling one user got created with ID 6 and whose name is Sumesh, and this is what the details is. Okay, now just click on Control S button to save it. Okay, so when you'll click on Control S, will ask you to provide the name. So name, we can give meaningful name here. Okay, just give what we can do, add user, right? Add user, and select the folder like under user management. This is what the folder we have created under user management. Just click on save button. So see, add got to add user also, this API got added, right? Now what is the next one? Now let's go here because we have two users. Let me hit this so that we should get two users now. First one with ID 1, second one with ID 6, right? Now we'll add this one, our this request. Okay, so in this, what it is telling, when you'll provide this in URL itself, whatever ID you'll provide, whose details will come. Okay, so currently when we are doing get users, we are getting all users, right? But for that we should get a specific user. So what is that URL? That is like get request. Okay, so it is get request over here, and just paste that URL. Okay, and we want to fetch ID of 6. Okay, we'll see 6. Just send it. See, so ID with 6 and Sumesh. So the details of this guy got means we got in the response. Okay, so let me try to fetch the first user details, the users with this, which is having ID 1. Okay, see, now we got that user details, right? So this is also, it is working fine. Now get using query parameter. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, see, this is what the URL. So now let me save this first. Okay, so get get specific user details by ID in path. Okay, by ID in path, some meaningful name you can give, and in this folder we are going to save it. So it got saved, right? Now the next API is also get request, and see here, the should know if you'll provide like this, and the data is equal to 1. It means like we are trying to fetch the details of the user whose ID is 1. Okay, this is what the query parameter. And when you go here, right, just a second, let me hit this and show you. Okay, see, we got it, right? So this is what it is, and also we can pass it from here. Okay, query parameter, why that details are not coming. Okay, just a second, please. Okay, so this is what the API is, and you can fetch that like that. Okay, so there is one more way to pass this. Just a second, let me show you that query parameter. Okay, so some params will be there. Okay, so under params, so see, this data is equal to 12. So whatever ID you will provide, if you will provide ID 6, then it will come. Okay, So user details with ID6 will be coming over here. So if we'll make it like 1, so user details with ID1. See, the soon we are making it 1, no, it is automatically getting changed. So whatever value we will be providing it here, so that will come over there. Okay, but why these options are not coming here? See, those options are not coming. Might be you need to download the desktop version. See here, it is telling to download it from here. At the top, you are able to see, right? Let me highlight that. Yeah, see here. Just you can see here, it is asking you to download. Okay, you can download it so that you can get desktop version like this, and here it is like you are able to see all the options. Okay, for Chrome extension, that params options are not coming. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, now what was our next step here? Let me save it. Control S. Write some meaningful name. Get user by query parameter. See, select this, save it. So here, see, after question mark, whatever you'll write like this, right? Question mark data is equal to 1. It means like one path param will get added, and using that path parameter, it will go. Okay, that is called query parameter. Okay, question mark, then query parameter, right? Data was the parameter key, and this is what the value. So whatever, if you want to have 6, then we can 6 and hit this. So all details will come. Now let's go to the other one. Yeah, post we have already seen. Now put request we need to see, right? So we want to update the data of any specific user. Okay, so let me update the user details with ID1. Okay, so just click here +1 and paste it over here, and that request is put request, correct, right? Yeah, put request. Okay, and what is the payload? Payload is this one. So name, we are going to change it. First let me see what is the details of user1. Okay, user1 details is like, see, the name is little help by kr/1-1, and what is the next parameter? Date of birth is something 2025, and this, and what we are going to update with, the name we are going to update with Erwin, and the dob is like this we are going to update. Okay, so where was our API? This is what our API is. Put request body raw application gestion control V. Okay, and let me hit this API. Okay, see, we got 200 response, and it got updated also. Now let's get the user detail. See, now the name got updated to Erwin. Okay, got the date of birth we provided, and it got updated. So this is also fine. Now to delete user. Okay, to delete user, which is the API, this is what the API is. Okay, so let me edit. Before that, let me save it. Just click here, Control S. It is okay. Yeah, Control S and update user, right? So meaningful name. This is what the folders we have created. Just save it. So all this collection is coming, right? Now the last one is like delete operation. Okay, this is what the API is. This is what the delete. It should be delete. Okay, so now let me check how many users are there currently. We have one user with ID1, name Erwin, and the second user is ID6 with Sumesh. Okay, so we can delete either of any user. Whatever ID will provide, it will delete that. Okay, so let me delete first with ID1. Okay, so it is 200. Okay, now get all users details. See, only one user is there with ID6. Perfectly fine. So this is also, it is working fine. So likewise you can do all setup. Okay, so for manual practice, but our intention is to learn automation, and whatever automation tutorials we have created, just follow those guys, and see, all APIs are not available to your system, in your local system. In last video I have shown how to take it, how to run it, right, in the Eclipse. So everything is available. Now you're good to go with automation and practicing it parallelly. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.